Welcome to this guide on chemistry careers. Chemistry is a fundamental science that opens doors to diverse and rewarding career paths. Whether you're interested in discovering new medicines, protecting the environment, or developing innovative materials, chemistry offers opportunities across research, industry, pharmaceuticals, and environmental sectors. Let's explore what chemists actually do in their day-to-day work and the different career paths available to you. Chemists work across four core sectors. In research, they work in academic and government laboratories, pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge. In industry, chemists focus on manufacturing and product development, creating everything from plastics to cosmetics. The pharmaceutical sector offers opportunities in drug discovery and development, helping to create life-saving medications. Environmental chemistry focuses on sustainability and analysis, protecting our planet by monitoring pollution and developing green technologies. Each sector offers unique challenges and rewards. Research chemists are at the forefront of scientific discovery. They design and conduct experiments to test hypotheses and explore new chemical reactions. A major part of their work involves developing new compounds and materials that could revolutionize industries. They spend considerable time analyzing data using sophisticated techniques and statistical methods, then publish their findings in scientific journals. Research chemists rarely work alone. They collaborate with interdisciplinary teams, including physicists, biologists, and engineers, to solve complex problems. Analytical chemists are the quality control experts of the chemistry world. Their primary responsibility is testing product quality and purity to ensure safety standards are met. They use advanced instruments like high-performance liquid chromatography and mass spectrometry to identify and quantify substances at extremely low concentrations. Ensuring regulatory compliance is crucial, as analytical chemists must follow strict guidelines set by agencies like the Food and Drug Administration. They also troubleshoot manufacturing processes when products don't meet specifications, identifying the source of problems and implementing solutions. Pharmaceutical chemists play a vital role in healthcare by developing new medications. They synthesize new drug candidates, creating molecules that could potentially treat diseases. Once a promising compound is identified, they optimize drug formulations to ensure the medication is stable, effective, and safe for patients. Pharmaceutical chemists conduct extensive stability and efficacy testing, examining how drugs behave under different conditions and whether they produce the desired therapeutic effects. They also support clinical trial development, helping to design studies that will test new drugs in human patients. Process chemists bridge the gap between laboratory research and industrial production. Their main challenge is scaling chemical reactions from small lab quantities to large production volumes, which often requires completely redesigning the synthesis approach. They optimize manufacturing efficiency by finding ways to increase yield and reduce production time. Cost reduction and waste minimization are key objectives, as process chemists develop greener, more economical manufacturing methods. Throughout all of this, they must ensure safety and environmental compliance, protecting both workers and the surrounding community. Environmental chemists are guardians of our planet's health. They monitor air, water, and soil quality by collecting samples and analyzing them for pollutants and contaminants. When problems are identified, they assess pollution and contamination levels to determine the severity and potential health impacts. Based on their findings, environmental chemists develop remediation strategies to clean up contaminated sites and restore ecosystems. They work closely with regulatory agencies to ensure environmental regulations compliance, helping industries and municipalities meet legal standards for environmental protection. Beyond the core roles, chemistry offers many specialized career paths. Biochemists study chemical processes in living organisms, exploring how cells function at the molecular level. Materials scientists develop new materials and polymers with unique properties, creating stronger plastics, more durable fabrics, or advanced composites. Electrochemists work on batteries and energy storage solutions, which is crucial for electric vehicles and renewable energy systems. Food chemists ensure food safety and quality, analyzing nutritional content, detecting contaminants, and developing new food products and preservation methods. Success in chemistry requires both technical and soft skills. Strong analytical and problem-solving abilities are fundamental, as chemists must interpret complex data and troubleshoot unexpected results. Attention to detail and precision are critical because even small errors can lead to incorrect conclusions or safety hazards. Proficiency with laboratory instruments is essential. Chemists must master techniques like spectroscopy, chromatography, and titration. Finally, communication and teamwork capabilities are increasingly important, as modern chemistry is collaborative and requires explaining complex concepts to diverse audiences including managers, regulators, and the public. Chemistry truly offers diverse career opportunities that can match nearly any interest or passion. From lab research to industrial applications, chemists drive innovation across multiple sectors, contributing to advances in medicine, technology, sustainability, and quality of life. Whether you're drawn to fundamental research, practical applications, environmental protection, or product development, a chemistry degree provides the foundation for a rewarding career. The skills you develop as a chemist, including critical thinking, quantitative analysis, and scientific communication, are valuable in countless fields and will serve you throughout your professional life.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.